My name is Cindy Padricki, and I have used Bulter Plumbing many times, and I'm happy with the work they do. They provide very timely work, and also they make a quote, provide a quote, so you know in advance how much the cost will be. As well, they're an Edmonton-based company, and that matters to me. It's important. This particular ensuite was done totally, and I had the shower installed by Bulter. So the shower valve and the shower head were placed in the configuration that I wanted. The one thing about them is that when they come to do the work, they do usually better than what I expect them to do. They're very professional, and I like the fact that they clean up after themselves. So I would recommend Bulter Plumbing to any woman who needs work done, as well to anyone who needs plumbing work done. They can be trusted. Bulter Plumbing.